Most people see fast online loans and think they've found an easy solution. But here's the surprising truth. Not all lending platforms work in your favor. Today, we're taking a clear, honest look at Liberty Lending so you can decide if it's a smart financial move or a costly mistake. Liberty Lending is an online lending platform that connects borrowers with loan offers. It is often marketed as a quick way to get personal loans, even for people with less than perfect credit. The promise is simple. Fill out a form, get matched, and receive funds quickly. Here's how it works. You enter basic information like income, employment, and credit details. Liberty Lending then shares your information with its lending partners who may offer you loan terms. This part is important. Liberty Lending itself is not the lender. It is a marketplace. The main benefit is speed. Many users receive offers within minutes, and funding can happen as fast as the next business day. For someone facing an emergency expense, this can feel like a lifesaver. But here's where most people get this wrong. The interest rates can be very high. Depending on your credit profile, rates may range from moderate to extremely expensive. Some borrowers report rates that more than double the original loan amount over time. Another issue is data sharing. When you submit your information, it may be sent to multiple lenders, which can result in follow-up calls and emails. While this is standard for loan marketplaces, many users are surprised by how much contact they receive. So who is Liberty Lending best for? It can help people who need fast access to funds and understand the cost. It is not ideal for long-term borrowing or large loans with high interest. Before using Liberty Lending, always read the full loan terms, calculate the total repayment amount, and compare with other options like credit unions or bank loans. If you need speed, it may help. If you need affordability, you should look elsewhere. If this honest review saved you from a costly decision, subscribe for more real financial breakdowns and smart money tips.